How does brain synaptogenesis work simply? Imagine your brain as a busy city with roads connecting different neighborhoods. These roads are like the connections between nerve cells or neurons. Synaptogenesis is the process that builds these roads, allowing the city to grow and function smoothly. When a baby is born, their brain is like a fresh city just starting to develop. Neurons begin to grow long projections called axons and dendrites. Axons reach out like highways to connect with dendrites, which are like side streets on other neurons. When an axon touches a dendrite, they form a tiny gap called a synapse. This is where neurons send signals to each other. During early brain development, especially in infancy, synaptogenesis happens very quickly. The brain makes many more synapses than it will keep later on. This overproduction helps the brain stay flexible and ready to learn from new experiences. As a child grows, the brain starts to remove some of these extra synapses in a process called synaptic pruning. This makes the brain's network more efficient and tailored to the child's environment. Several factors influence synaptogenesis. Neurotrophic factors are special chemicals that help neurons grow and form synapses. Cell adhesion molecules help neurons stick together at the synapse sites. Neural activity, which is how the brain responds to sights, sounds, and touch, also plays a big role. When a baby hears a sound repeatedly or touches different textures, the brain strengthens the synapses involved in those experiences. This process is especially important in early childhood because it builds the foundation for learning, memory, language, and other skills. For example, when a baby hears a word many times, the synapses that process that sound become stronger, helping the baby learn to speak. Creating a stimulating environment with lots of sights, sounds, and interactions encourages the formation and strengthening of synapses. This supports healthy brain growth and helps children develop their full potential. In simple terms, synaptogenesis is how the brain builds and fine-tunes the connections between neurons, especially during those early years when the brain is most adaptable. It shapes how children learn, remember, and understand the world around them.